In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a course summary report in BearPulse. If you teach a service learning course, your students should be logging their service hours in the course page in BearPulse. If you want to do a check-in to see how your students are doing in fulfilling their service requirement, you can download a course summary report for a quick snapshot of service hours for each of your students. I'm going to use my dummy course to show you how to do this. Starting in my class page, I'm going to click on the blue Manage button. This takes me to the Administrative Controls page. In the left navigation, I'm going to click on Users and then select Manage Users from the drop-down menu. This brings up a table with a list of all of the students in your class. To access this summary report, click on the blue Actions button on the top right and select Course Summary Report at the bottom of the drop-down menu. A pop-up window appears asking you to select your file format, PDF or CSV. If you're unfamiliar, a CSV file is a spreadsheet. I'm going to select PDF and then click Print. After a few seconds, the summary report appears in a new window. As you can see, it lists the student's name, total verified hours, and total impacts. You can quickly review the list to see how your students are progressing in their service requirement.